Greetings. In the words of John F. Kennedy, former United States President, ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. You are watching On the Move with LadyKate, brought to you by Afro USA TV, your community voice, raising awareness on issues that matter when it matters most. I just want to say a big thank you. I want you to join my brothers and sisters of Victoria Group North America. Give a shout out to each and every one of them for a great and excellent job they have done helping to fight COVID-19 in the city of Limbe in Cameroon. Now, I just want to tell you a little bit about Limbe Cameroon. It's a very beautiful city along the coast of the Atlantic Ocean. Very, very beautiful. The people are warm, very friendly. People care about each other and love each other. That's where I'm from, and that's where my brothers and sisters are also from. We got together in a matter of 2 weeks and raise funds to start a project to take on the fight against COVID-19, to protect the community and raise awareness. This has gone fantastic. It's been great. You know, we were able to put the funds together within a very, very short time. And I must say, the project just concluded in Limbe, Cameroon. It was very, very welcome. We also want to give a big thank you to the government, the local government of Limbe, for what they are also doing to fight COVID-19. So this effort really was simply supplementing what the government is doing in Limbe to fight against the coronavirus. But let me tell you before I proceed is that anyone who is thinking about, you know, their communities back home, families back home, charity begins at home. Start with yourself. Get together, get your family, your friends together. It's easy. It's not difficult. We did it, and so you can. So the unique thing about the project fighting COVID-19 in Limbe, Cameroon, really focused on producing masks and also distributing these masks to the community. Limbe has a residence count of about 15,000 residents. It's a very small city, very, sparsely populated, beautiful, and people are spread out. Very wide geographical area, but the population is not that much. So we decided to produce masks and distribute up to 5,000 masks to the community. And like I said, we did a fundraiser, got children of Limbe together who are resident here in the United States. You will see their names at the end of the video. I want you to say thank you to each and every one of them. And this project, again, is very unique in the sense that we actually sorted designers and seamstresses and tailors who are local. So these are young women and men who, make clothes, and they're able to switch production into producing masks. So I say it's unique because we kind of wanted to empower the local businessmen and women. So a total of 6 fashion designers got together to produce the mask, and I will name them. They are Mother Care, Amen Foundation, Yusuf Musa, Yvonne's Tailoring, Becky's Corner, and Pelagie Tumasang. These are all local designers, men and women that are based in Limbe, who were able to switch their production into producing masks in a very, very short time. And they did it. And we just want to congratulate each and every one of them. Again, I just want to give a big shout out to the local women's organizations. If you want something to work and work really well, work with women. So 3 different women's organizations came together. They were the foot soldiers going to every corner of Limbe and distributing these masks. It was up to 40 women. You could see them in their red t-shirts, pink t-shirts, and black t-shirts going across the town from the city of Limbe into the remote areas, distributing masks and educating the population. I just want to give a big shout out to Amen Foundation, Hope for a Better Tomorrow organization, and also Simple Ladies Association. These women, I would say about 40 of them, got together, organized themselves into little groups, and just went out on a daily basis. In a period of 1 week, they were reaching out to the community. And let me tell you, this wasn't just about distributing masks. They were actually educating, providing education regarding the fight against COVID-19, emphasizing hand hygiene, the need to, cover your face, your nose and your mouth with a face mask, and how to put it on correctly. These women had their gloves on, and they went from place to place, including the Limbe market. They were talking to the bike riders. They were talking to, men and women going to their farms. They reached out every corner of Limbe, distributing masks and educating the community. As you can see, the community really welcomed this gesture. So I just want to give a big thank you to my brothers and sisters of Victoria Group North America. These are Limbe children, Limbe born and raised, who are in the diaspora in the United States, and also some in Canada, who came together and made donations, monetary donations, and we have been able to work with local designers, tailors, and seamstresses to produce 5,000 masks to be distributed throughout the town of Limbe. The people are very warm, very receptive. The women went out there and were giving out these masks in remote areas in the city, and just spreading the word and raising awareness. It is so important for everyone to participate, take part in protecting yourself, protecting your community against the spread of coronavirus. Again, please, if you can, please get together in your small groups. If you're an NGO or just a group of friends, or maybe just thinking about your family, get together and help your community back home. That's the concern of most Africans in the diaspora. While we live here in America or the UK or Europe, we always worry about our folks back home. It's time to stand up and do something. Take action now, because COVID-19 is slowly spreading in Africa. Prevent deaths, prevent infections, prevent contamination by universally masking. It's important. Hand hygiene, also very important. So please join me in saying a big thank you to Victoria Group North America for what they have done. My brothers and sisters, God bless you all. It's not over until it's over. Let's keep up the fight and protect our communities. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm called Elizabeth Munjoa, the CEO of Amen Foundation. We have just finished the distribution of the 5,000 face masks. Presently, we are coming out from the Limbe Beach, where we distributed the last portion of the face mask. We just want to say a big thank you to the Victoria Group of America. We want to appreciate them for their effort, for their good gesture. We say we are grateful for this singular privilege. And as Amen Foundation, we want to say thank you for all those who took part as the volunteers and other group leads, organizations that took part in this activity. We say we are very grateful and we thank you very much. May God continue to bless you for your efforts and for your love towards your nation and Limbe. Bye. Thank you.